Are your plants looking sad, wilted, or turning brown no matter what you do? You might be using toxic synthetic fertilizers that actually get your plants addicted, leaving them weaker over time. But there's a better way. Introducing Elm Dirt, our organic underground miracle that revitalizes wilted plants, brings yellow leaves back to life, and makes your plants grow like crazy. We're not just fertilizer. We're a complete plant health system, infused with over 50 micro and macronutrients and 250 plus microbial species that supercharge root, stem, and leaf growth. It's made right here in the USA with sustainable organic ingredients, safe for pets, safe for kids, safe for the planet. One bottle makes 32 gallons of chemical-free, high-performing fertilizer that works on houseplants, veggies, trees, lawns, everything. We back it with a 180-day money-back guarantee because we know it works. Your plants don't need a chemical fix. They need Elm Dirt. Rebuild your soil, reclaim your garden, regrow your confidence. Try Elm Dirt today.